Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a GCash affiliate program review and explaining what it is, how it works, what's good, and what to think about before joining. The GCash affiliate program lets you earn money by referring new users to the GCash app. You get a special affiliate link or code, and when someone signs up with your link and completes certain actions like verifying their account or making a transaction, you earn a commission or reward. This gives content creators and influencers a way to make money from sharing something many people already use for payments and money transfers. One of the main advantages is that GCash is widely used and trusted, especially in countries where mobile wallets are popular. Because a lot of people already use GCash for everyday payments, bills, bank transfers, and more, your referrals are more likely to complete the steps needed for you to earn. Affiliates can promote links on social media, blogs, websites, and messaging apps, which makes it easy to share with different audiences. Another positive is that GCash often provides built-in sharing tools inside the app, so you can send your referral link directly to friends or post it on your channels. You can also track how many referrals you've made and sometimes see how much you've earned depending on how the affiliate program rewards are structured. However, there are some things to consider. One is that the rewards depend on specific actions being completed by the person you refer. Some programs require the referral to verify their account, cash in money, or complete a qualifying transaction before you earn. This means you need to find people willing to fully sign up and use GCash, not just click the link. Another point is that commission amounts or rewards may vary and may not always be high. Depending on the program's structure, you might earn small amounts per referral, which means you may need consistent referrals to make significant income. Success often depends on having an audience or network that trusts your recommendation. So, who is the GCash affiliate program best for? It's a good fit for creators and influencers who already talk about mobile payment tools, personal finance, everyday money tips, or digital wallets. If your audience is likely to be interested in cashless payments or already uses GCash, adding affiliate links can be a natural addition to your content. Overall, the GCash affiliate program offers a way to earn by referring users to a mobile wallet platform many people already use. It may not make a lot at first, and rewards depend on referrals completing required steps. But for creators focused on finance or digital payment content, it can be a useful monetization option. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want reviewed next.